Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix PixVerse AI video download problem in 2025 step by step. So whether it's a failed download, slow speed or corrupted files, this guide will help you fix the issue step by step. So the best way to fix this problem is simply refreshing the page. So you'll have to simply scroll from the top here, then you will see a refresh icon, then release your thumb and this is instantly going to refresh the page and that will instantly solve your problem. This is the best way. Now, another way is that you can try is checking your internet connection. So ensure that you have a stable internet connection before downloading. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile network to see if the issue persists with them or not. You can turn off your mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi, then try to download the video. Then you can try to turn off your Wi-Fi, turn on your mobile phone, then try to download your video. Now, step 2 is updating the PixVerse AI app. So, outdated versions may cause bugs and glitches. Go to App Store or Google Play Store on your Android and update the app if you have PixVerse AI application on your mobile phone. Step 3 is clearing cache. Simply click on 3-line icon at the top right. Now, scroll down, click on Settings. Now, simply scroll down at the bottom of this page, click on Site Settings and simply click on third-party cookies. Now, you'll have to make sure you choose allow third-party cookies and go back. Now, after going back, you'll have to click on this button again, click on history. Now, simply click on delete browsing data and remove all the text, but make sure that cached images and files is ticked here. Then click on delete data. Now, choose delete button here after choosing all the sites and that will instantly clear the cache and could fix your problem. Now, step 4 is checking for storage space. So ensure that you have enough storage available on your phone or PC wherever you are downloading the video. Then delete unnecessary files and retry the download. Now, step 5 is trying a different browser or device. So if you're using PixVerse AI web version, switch to Chrome, Edge or Safari, and if you're using the mobile app, try downloading on another device. Step 6 is re-render the video. So if the video isn't downloading, go back to your project here on this page, then render it again because some files may get corrupted due to incomplete processing. And if none of these steps work, reach out to the customer support. Go to PixVerse AI Help Center and report the issue. So by checking your internet, updating the app, clearing cache and ensuring enough storage, you can resolve most download issues quickly. If the problem persists, PixVerse AI support can provide further assistance. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.